Okay, here's the recording for our lesson 3.05, part 2 in SOC 07B. So let's go on. So we're in SOC 07B. You can go and we're going to go to World Religions Review. Okay, so you can find that on the class plan, or I prefer if you just go to content and find it that way. So let's go to content. We're in our SOC 07B class. Go down to Unit 3, and then from there go along the side here to Part 2, World Religions and Review. Okay, so Part 2. And there's a Comparing World Religions answer key that you can open and take a look at. Okay, and you know what, I'm going to open up another content. I'm going to open link in a new tab. So, because we can have all of these things opened, okay. Complete the World Religion Nearpod activity. And so if you click on that, log in, and that will take you to the first page, which is a music video. So you can play that video. And from the Nearpod activity, you can go to, there's a couple other pages here that I'll take a look at that in another video, okay? But here you can see this is going to be on a handout that you can use to do the activity. Let's see what else is on here. There's a handout. So if you click on this, that'll bring up a handout. So you've got Comparing World Religions answer key. The handout has some of the same information. Just one might be easier to read than the other. So have them both open. So some questions on the activity, you're going to want to use this. Some questions, you're going to want to use this chart. Okay, so there's a couple different things. You can even use the Nearpod because all of this is in the Nearpod. Okay, maybe the Nearpod looks a little clearer. Now the Nearpod has some of the questions that are going to be on the activity as well. Okay, so let's open another. I'm going to open up content again. So I've got a couple tabs here. I've got one with the Comparing World Religions answer key, the World Religions handout, and then here's just the first page. Here's where the activity is. So there's the Nearpod. So we've got the Nearpod, the handout, and the answer key. So use those, and a lot of they all have this chart on them. Okay, so that chart you can find on any one of these. Now go ahead and open up the activity, and the activity will look like this when you open it. And I will go through all of these questions in another video, in a second video. Okay, so I'll go through all these questions with you in another video. But so for this activity, check out the Nearpod, check out the handout, and check out the answer key. Use any of them, maybe even the handout, to complete the activity. There are 15 questions on the activity, okay? And you'll be using all of these to help you with that. And I'm going to go through let me just go through this real quick. So this is a Venn diagram, and you can see it's got Christianity in this circle, Judaism in this circle, Islam in this circle, and some of these circles overlap, okay? Like all three of them overlap right here. Judaism and Christianity overlap right here. So these are things that they have in common. Christianity and Islam overlap right here. And then Islam and Judaism overlap right here. Then just about Islam is right here. Just about Judaism is right here. Just about Christianity is right here. Then we have a map. This map shows the different colors Like the teal goes with Christianity. The red goes with Islam. The kind of orangey goes with Hinduism. Buddhism is with the blue. Chinese, such as Confucianism. And then Judaism is just a little bit over in this area. Okay. So, and here are some questions that are on that activity. This is we're looking at the Nearpod. Which monotheistic religion was founded first? So comparing religions and philosophies, you've got this chart where everything here is Judaism. And then there's another page. This continues Judaism. And then you have Hinduism. Then you have Buddhism. Then you have Confucianism. Then you have Christianity. Then you have Islam. Okay? So, and use these, just look through here to help you answer some of the questions. All right, and let's see, what are the principal texts? What region? And this talks about how it was spread. Here's the principal beliefs. And then who founded it, when was it founded, and where was it founded. All right, in another video, I will go over the questions that are in the activity. So, again, world religions review. That's how you're going to go through, and you're just going to work on the activity using all of these different items. And don't forget to check out the music video in the Nearpod.